Okay, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the AYA Indicator Forex channel. This time we will discuss an amazing review. An amazing AYA called XT Prop, which we will test backtesting, and I have run it on a trading account. Watch the video until it's finished. We will do backtesting with the EUR-USD pair because the pair is recommended for timeframe plug in H1. And I asked my friend to explain this EA Prop MT5, please Mr. Bro.
Okay, thanks for the time given to me. Okay, I will explain this EA XT Prop MT5. Okay, while waiting for the backtesting results to finish, I'll explain just a little. XT Prop EA MT5 has been prepared for prop trading firms to meet all the conditions that apply to such companies, and you can also use it with any broker by simply changing a few parameters. XT Prop EA is a multi-currency version that supports the EUR-USD, PUSD, USD JPY, and USD CAD. There are 3 risk levels to choose from: low, medium and high. How to properly test the XT Prop firms in the MetaTrader 5 tester. Please select a deposit of 1,000, a custom date from January 1, 2022 to March 28, 2023. Select every tick, risk %5 and choose a leverage. Select risk mode, low, medium or high. Our test is with 1:100. Then, click the Start button in the MetaTrader 5 tester. If you set a lower leverage, the result will be a little worse, whereas if you were to use a higher leverage the result would be better. Parameters: multi-currency, EUR-USD, PUSD, USD JPY. Risk %. Selecting the size of the lots based on the risk percentage. Select risk mode, 3 modes to select the risk, low, medium and high. Order step, distance in points between trades. Trade hours, choose the days and hours that EA will work. Local time PC, max spread. Spread filter is an additional safeguard for trading. Take profit. Take profit in pips for individual trades with low mode. Stop loss. Stop loss in pips for individual trades with low mode. Orders profit. Profit in account currency for positions to be closed. Stop loss. Trades loss as a % of account balance. Closing all orders. True/false. Activation of closing trades at the end of the day. Closing time. Text in format HHMM. Closing time for open trades. Lots. Lot size of open trades on signal. Lot step. Additional lot size added to following trades. Filter news. USD, Euro, GBP, CAD, AUD, JPY, CHF, CNY, NZD. Magic No. Identification number 4. Trades opened by the instance of the strategy show panel, the ability to hide the EA panel that is on the chart. Allow trading in holidays, true/false. When news filter is active, this function allow to open new trades from news cycles during holidays. Trade comments, the ability to add your own comment that will be visible to each order in MT4, MT5 news filter. True/false. Activation of news filter for blocking new trades. Do not trade before/after in minutes, number. Minutes before and after the news during which EA cannot place new trades. Report for USD/Euro/GBP/AUD/CAD/JPY/CHF/CNY/NZD. True/false. Choice of the currency for which the news are included in the filter. Allow trading on holidays. True/false. When news filter is active, this function allow to open new trades from news cycles during holidays. Find keyword. True/false. Activation of function to detect only news with chosen keywords included in the name. Find keyword list. Text. List of keywords which has to be included in the high impact news to give news filter signal. Example: if find keyword is false, filter will be working for all high important news, high impact news. If find keyword is true, and find keywords list is set as ECB, FOMC, BOE, BOJ, Fed, filter will look for only important news, with any of chosen keywords in their name: ECB, FOMC, Fed, and here you can add a list of important news that you want to be blocked. Add each event after a comma. Additional automatic stop loss during important news, % of balance. This is a separate parameter and will handle positions that were opened before the important data. TPSL hidden. You can hide your take profit and stop loss levels from your broker. You will see lines on the chart with the levels, only with low mode. You can turn this feature off if you don't want to use it. Info. Time frame, H1 minimum lots, 0.01 platform, MetaTrader 5 leverage, 110 up to 1:500 minimum deposit, 1000 pairs, Eurist, PUST, USD JPY. Okay, that's all the summary explanation of EA XT Prop MT5. Thanks friends, in time I return to my friends, please bro.
Yes, thanks for my friend who has explained EAXT Prop MT5. Let's continue the discussion on backtesting and direct testing of this EA. Yes, the backtesting is not finished. I will speed up the backtesting, and we will see the result, dear friends. Yes, this I explain later in the file. There are some. Please enter according to the folder, and use the appropriate build in the folder. If the build doesn't fit in the folder, Expert Advisor XT Prop won't work. Files will be accessible if you have joined at the free level. Please join. Yes, done for backtesting results. Backtesting results are amazing EA. The graphics in backtesting this EA are very good. Look at the results of this EA backtesting, and see the result at the end of the video. For file passwords is in the video screen. Don't forget to subscribe and join the free level. Yes, that's all from us to review the EAXT Prop MT5. The results of the backtesting test and running directly with a balance of 10,000 are amazing. EAXT Prop MT5. Good luck. Wassalamualaikum.
Damn, what is that, bro?
What the fuck? Good job.